Zabazisha hamna na zihangwe omukuru w'Eihanga Yaraganisa Museveni obwashendekerezibwa omukazi we Janet Kataha Museveni abayakirira omu kisha Kololo enkuyanja y'abantu bwanyuma y'okuhamibwa na bwanyuma emikoro yatandika n'okushabaho kw'abakwebembire Bishop Dr. Moses Odong hamwe n'abandi kandi bamushabira hamwe n'okumusiima abw'ebirungi ebyahikireho. Na bwanyuma bamwe bamushagika mukuru w'Eihanga bebembire Dr. Rukaka na Rugunda bamugambaho nko kuyamazira obwire bwingi arikurwanira Eihanga kandi akareta emirembe Omw'Eihanga abasize kandi kureta entunguko mbyengyenda eby'entasya omu makorro hamwe n'ebindi.
Literally his life for the liberation of Uganda and also for the liberation of our continent. He led a number of wars to liberate the country from dictatorship. In 1986, when he captured the power with National Resistance Movement and National Resistance Army, he pulled the country out of the dungeon to a country which all of us are now very proud of.
Na bwanyuma Vice Chairman w'ekibiina kya NRM Alhaji Moses Kigongo nikwo kugamba ari mukuru w'Eihanga kandi akayira abakwenda kwesimba abatiine ekibiina.
Those who want to study independence, they give me headache because to me they think they are bigger than the parties we have. A movement party is much bigger than ourselves. And if you are not fit in that bus of ours, please don't disturb us. Just get out and stay there.
Na bwanyuma mukuru w'Eihanga kiyimuka agamba yatandika no kwebaza bamushagika hamwe n'abamuteriireho emikono.
Let us also agree that certain things must be done first before other things come in. The third effort is fighting crime.
Ensonga eyokusatu kulwanyisa obumenyi bw'amateeka.
There is peace in the country.
Waliwo emirembe mu ggwanga.
Nobody can bring war here.
Tewali akyayinza kuleeta lutalo wano.
Because NRM will destroy him.
Kubanga NRM ejja musaanyaawo.
The UPDF will destroy him.
Ejje lya UPDF lijja kumusaanyaawo.
But crime is there.
Naye obumenyi bw'amateeka weebuli.
And this is where you, the leaders of the NRM, in your structures, you need to supervise your areas and ensure that the police people do their work.
Okuhamya bari kwenda entebe y'obwa president kwatandikira izooba bitu ni kugumiza mu n'izooba lya nyenkyakare. Amakuru agasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano omuri Kampala.